begin this half hour with a major shakeup at the Department of Taxation after a minor was allowed to purchase marijuana at a legal dispensary.
A Las Vegas father and attorney making that claim, and now a high-ranking state official has been placed on leave. Well, 13 investigative reporter Joe Bartels shows you the memo that has many fired up.
The marijuana industry brought in $639 million across Nevada over the past year. That's some serious cash that should come with some serious oversight. But we know at least one state official is facing criticism for shutting down investigations into dispensaries that sold to those under 21 years old. The state's multi-million-dollar cannabis industry is facing some major marijuana drama.
What we have is a situation where not only was marijuana sold to minors, but it was covered up.
Dominic Gentile, a local attorney and father of 5, is involved in a case suing the Department of Taxation over its handling of marijuana licenses. But in the course of that case, a new concern arose.
And he ordered her to cease the investigation, to shut it down.
This email was introduced as evidence. The marijuana supervisor for the state's marijuana division, Kara Cronkite, says investigations of self-reported incidents of sales to a minor should be scrubbed for 3 specific dispensaries involved: Integral Associates, Nevada Organic Remedies, and Henderson Organic Remedies. She cites a directive from her boss, Department of Taxation Deputy Executive Jorge Pupo.
That it was never an action that was supposed to be swept under the rug, or they told us so everything's okay.
Former Nevada lawmaker Patricia Farley had a front row seat to Nevada's budding marijuana industry. She has serious concerns on how high-ranking Department of Taxation officials handled the investigation, and better yet, a lack of an investigation.
The department needed to do the same thing and follow the rules and investigate it to make sure that they, one, documented it, and then the second piece is there was a learning there, right? However this minor got in possession, we could all learn from that.
Anybody who didn't file an application shouldn't have a right to be here.
In court testimony, Cronkite said if the department came down on the dispensaries for self-reporting they sold to minors, they would have no incentive to come forward. And, quote, "We decided it's more important that we have the information. We know what occurred rather than penalizing them."
So it was never reported to Metro. It was never reported to the Henderson Police Department. It was never reported to the Attorney General's office.
Selling marijuana to someone under 21 is a felony in Nevada, also a violation of federal law. The owner of the dispensaries involved say those responsible were terminated, and they've taken action to prevent it from happening again. 13 Investigates asked the Department of Taxation about any internal investigations regarding the handling of the situation, but we got a statement saying in part, quote, "The department cannot confirm nor deny the existence of internal investigations or provide comment." A source close to the situation says Pupo has been placed on leave, and it's unclear who has taken over or what his future may be. Joe Bartels, 13 Action News.